Remember when you had versatility and power all in the palm of your hand. Do you fancy chamfers and V-grooves, or are you partial towards rabbets and dados? We won't judge. That'll just be between you and your router. Make intricate patterns in both the exterior and interior of your workpieces with this WEN 15-amp variable speed plunge router. This versatile machine features a variable speed 15-amp motor, providing users speeds from 8,000 to 23,000 rotations per minute. The 1/2 inch collet includes an additional 1/4 inch adapter, allowing for compatibility with a wide variety of bits. Our soft startup design prevents damage to your workpiece and lengthens the tool's lifespan. The spring-loaded base features a lockdown knob to turn your plunge router into a fixed router. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The intricate depth stop system features a 7-stop turret, a depth adjustment dial that advances the depth stop 5/16 inch per quarter turn, and a fine-tune adjustment dial that advances it 1 1/28 inch per quarter turn. The included guide fence lets users route perfectly straight lines, helping to create dados and grooves along the workpiece. This kit comes packed with accessories, including a hard-shelled blow mold carrying case, a 1/2 inch dust collection duct, a bit-changing wrench, a straight-edge guide fence, a fence scale, a centering pin for cutting circles, a profile guide for routing edges of curvy workpieces, and a template guide for creating more complex shapes. And, because it's a WEN product, a nationwide network of skilled service technicians and a friendly customer helpline. Remember when you stepped your carpentry up a notch. Remember WEN. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 7-stop turret. Increase or decrease your cutting depth by 1/8 inch increments with the 7-stop rotating turret. Number 2. Micro adjustment. Our fine-tune adjustment dial advances the depth stop 1 1/28 inch per quarter turn. Number 3. Variable speed. Our powerful 15-amp motor provides anywhere from 8,000 to 23,000 rotations per minute. Number 4. 2 routers in 1. Our spring-loaded base features a lockdown knob to turn your plunge router into a fixed router. Number 5. Parallel guide fence. L-pop on the included parallel guide fence for routing perfectly straight designs. Number 6. Versatile bits. Accepts both 1/4 and 1/2 inch router bits with a plunge depth of up to 2/3 inches, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.